JVs and affiliates, welcome to Converzly's JV page. We are going live this July 20th at 11 AM EST, and I want to bring you on board. Right now I'm in the Gold Coast. I'm actually visiting a very good friend of mine, Luke McGuire, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand over to Justin Burns to tell you exactly what the product's about, and then come back to me and I'm going to tell you all the juicy prizes and details that are in it for you.
Justin Burns here. Welcome to this launch page for Converzly. Now, Converzly, I'm super excited about Converzly. I'm going to tell you why in a second, but Converzly is the world's first ever landing page builder that combines copy together. Now, if you know some of our other tools such as Script Engage, we've sold thousands of them. We have so many testimonials. We know what effective copywriting tools look like, but this one is special. We've been working on this again, like I said, for the past 8 months, and it really solves a major problem. Now, what's that problem? The problem is that we know that people pay hundreds of dollars a month for landing page software, but what's the one thing that they don't know how to do? They don't know what to put on those landing pages unless they pay for a bunch of copywriters, unless they do that. And a lot of people aren't in that position. So this really puts them in the driver's seat where they're able to put up a really effective landing page in a matter of 30 minutes or less, even sooner. Okay. Now, as you can see on the screen here, I'm at the dashboard and I have the ability to edit the page, delete the page, download the page if I want to. Now, as you can see at the top, most of these are just like training templates, accounts where you can integrate your autoresponder sequences. Like, I'll show you some of those in a second. But avatars, let me just show you avatars. The avatar section here is just so your customers and yourself don't have to really enter in, the same email or the same questions over and over and over again. Now, going back to the dashboard, you have something called the new smart page or the new page. It just means you can create a smart page, which has the copy built for you, or you can create a new page. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on new page. And as you can see, we have so many beautiful templates already done. We worked very hard on this. So we have high ticket coaching templates. We have membership pages, landing pages for live events, JV pages, sales pages, membership pages. We have opt-in pages, real estate pages, the list goes on, sales pages, webinar pages. We have over 10 different templates in here. Thank you pages. Okay. We have different ebook pages. We have attorney pages, even niche pages like attorney pages, health pages, the list goes on, OTO pages, and we have regular website pages so you can build your own website as well. So what I'm going to do is choose one of these templates to show you how Converzly works. I'm going to name it test demo template. Okay. And then I'm going to push start building. Now, we already have pre-filled answers in here, but as you can see, it asks these important questions that people really don't know what to put on landing pages or how to articulate what they should say on a landing page. So as you can see, it just asks, what's the name of your coaching program? What is the next step for your avatar? So like a call to action. Who is your avatar? What's some testimonials that you've gotten for this product? Okay. What are some, results that you have? And then you can see I put in some things, who's the name of this product and who does your avatar strive to be? So I'm just going to choose, I'm going to show you the power of this. I'm going to choose edit your page. Okay. And as you can see, Converzly is going to work by building the page based on the questions that we just answered. And here is the result. Okay. Now, how fast was that? How cool was that? And so as you can see, we are here at the actual landing page. So my headline is done. All that is done. As you can see, all I have to do is literally swap out a couple of videos. There is my headline right there. The button is filled in. My testimonials are there. I just have to choose a couple different questions and add some of the testimonials more detail. But this page, I can literally get this page up in a matter of literally 30 minutes or less. How cool is that? And then if I wanted to just, cut certain things off, we have a fully functional landing page builder. Okay. Now I'm going to show you something that's even more powerful with this particular page. and it's something called the copy engine. Now, we didn't just stop at filling in the copy. Okay, what we did was we created something called a copy engine because we wanted to solve a major problem. And the major problem is that people, they struggle with grammar issues, they struggle with spelling issues. That's what the copy engine will do. It will correct most of the grammar and the spelling errors that are on the page as well. Okay, now here's just an example, a small example, but it will also swap out other copy words to give you a variety as well. So this says amazing. As you can see on the bottom, you have the ability to go ahead and go in there and you can choose incredible, and it literally swaps it out in the editor. No other editor does that. So you have the ability, you have some flexibility on what you can do as well by swapping out certain copy words as well. Okay, really, really cool. Now, what I could also do is I can literally go through and I can just, add certain things like connect my autoresponder to this. And as you can see, we integrate with pretty much every tool you can think of: Aweber, MailChimp, Infusionsoft, ActiveCampaign, Webinar Jam. We connect to everything. Now, if you want to publish the page, we also have included a really, really cool, unique URL. So you can host with us if you want. You can download the HTML file. You can also get a WordPress plugin that we have that will be releasing as well. So again, this is the amazing tool of Converzly. We hope you sign up and promote because this is going to be game changing for a lot of people. Thank you.
Hey, thank you, Justin. And as Justin was saying, the product is absolutely unbelievable and it's going to benefit your subscribers so much. So what's going to benefit for you? Right now, as you know, myself, I only work with people who have got really good products and it's going to convert, okay? So what we're going to do is
welcome to this demo for Converzly. Now I'm going to show you the power of Converzly and why it's going to benefit everybody that uses it. So I'm here at the dashboard, and as you can see, we have templates, avatars. Now avatars is the ability to put in questions and save them so that you don't have to keep answering the same questions over and over again. Account, this is a very, very simple dashboard, but I'm going to show you the power of just how amazing this app is. So you get to the dashboard, you get to choose, you see the actual template category, you see how many visitors you have, you see how many subscribers. Now you have the ability to either download this, preview it, or you can delete it or edit. And so you have the ability to just choose a regular landing page if you want. So you don't have to, answer the questions and get automated copy generated for you, or you can just choose a smart page. So I'm going to go ahead and choose what we call a smart page. And as you can see, we have tons of templates in here. So we have everything from real estate to coaching templates to live event templates to sales pages to JV pages, to webinar pages with countdown timers. The list goes on. Thank you pages, attorney pages, health pages, so many different types of pages. I'm going to show you an example of how powerful Converzly is and why will save your customers a lot of time and headaches. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose use the new template. We're just going to name it test template here. Just going to go ahead and name that and push start building. Now, each template has its own set of questions so that it could create the most powerful headlines, bullet points, everything. It fills in all the copy for your customers so they don't have to guess anymore. And we also have training that's going to show them how to answer the questions the best way. So as you can see, it's asking, what's the name of your coaching program? I filled in the answer. Who is your avatar? What's the number one biggest benefit that your avatar will experience? What are some testimonials that they have? What are some call to actions that you want to offer? And just all these different questions. So these are already filled in. So I'm going to go ahead and choose edit your page and watch the absolute amazing, mind-blowing power of Converzly. And so what's going to happen is it's building the page, and it's going to go ahead and open up the editor. And as you can see, this is a really, really cool editor. And so as you can see, all the copy is filled in, apply for Justin's unique coaching program, and it fills in all of the questions, all the testimonials. So all I have to do is pretty much go in here and, swap out some pictures. It takes me literally just, not that long, like literally just a few minutes. And so as you can see here, I can swap out the video. If I choose this, all I have to do is go ahead and put in the link to the video if I wanted to, and I can publish this page. Now, a few other features. Again, we integrate with pretty much everybody from Aweber to MailChimp to GetResponse to Infusionsoft to Entreport to GoToWebinar. The list goes on. We pretty much integrate with everyone. And so if you wanted to go ahead and publish this page, you could, but I want to show you a couple other features which are really, really cool. So if you go here, you can actually see I can highlight this. I can actually change the size of this if I wanted to. So I'm going to go in here and I could change the size. So I'll go ahead and just choose that. And then as you can see, we have something called a copy engine. Okay. Now the copy engine is really, really cool because the copy engine allows you to go ahead and correct different wordings. Okay. You can also correct grammar issues if you wanted to and swap out other words. So here's just an example. I'm going to press amazing. And as you can see, I could swap out amazing for another copy words. I could swap it out for incredible, which is really, really cool. No other tool on the market actually does that. So now I'm done. Literally, it's taken me about 5 minutes. I have a done landing page that I can start to promote. I'm just going to go ahead and hit publish. And, when I hit the publish button, I have a unique URL that I can start to promote if I wanted to, or I could go ahead and change the page URL, or I can go ahead and, we integrate with WordPress, or I could download the HTML file if I wanted to. And that is how amazing and simple Converzly is.